What's up, Toasters? In 2 bits? Man, I'm just getting you a walk around of Hillary Banks here, man. We got her all cleaned up today. Of course, you know, I kept the rim lady working, so she was upset that her car was so dusty and sitting there and ain't nobody driving it or paying any attention to it. So let me do a quick video, man, to remind y'all that this is a 1992 iroc with a 2023 C8 interior. With a C8 interior, of course, we did the Maui blue on the inside. We did the flush handles from my boy at RC Customs, man. He got us right on those. Forges, of course, 22s, concave, rose gold and white. Nothing too crazy. Like you say, man, it's a female driver, so she actually does drive this vehicle. So when I ain't in it. So we did a few little modifications, man. Took the side marker lights off the front and the rear here. It has some side marker lights down here, I think. You know, I can't even remember no more, but I know it is the front, man. We also did hella modifications on the inside. Like you say, this is a little cruiser for her. Not too crazy, man. She wasn't looking for no serious horsepower, and I definitely wouldn't give her no serious horsepower to be able to hurt herself in. She's not a big driver. So like you say, under the hood, man, we did a nice little LS1 on this one here. This came out of a 01, 02 Camaro, I want to say. 01, 02 Camaro. Make sure y'all follow her YouTube, man. Coffee and Camaro's chick. What I say, man, nothing crazy. We just painted the engine bay, smoothed off the firewall. Of course, you know, we did the Restomar AC in it. We did some speed engineering headers, 1 3/4, CVF pulley kit, cold case radiator. Man, all the necessities, man, keep it rolling. Like I say, man, this ain't no big power horse. Ain't no big power plant. Man, Roundhead tuned it, man, for, I think this thing probably has about 330 horses, man, 340 horses. Like I said, a good cruiser for her and a good cruiser for me, man. We did some 373 gears in the rear, positive traction. We did some control arms, rear lower control arms, UMI, pan hard bar, all of that little small stuff. And of course, like I say, the interior, auto meter gauges, man, they fit nice, man. We had to 3D print some pieces, man, so they'll sit in there flush and nice as much as possible. We also did the push button shifter straight out of the C8. Let me put the gauges on. Of course, like I say, these are actually the Restomar gauges. I told y'all we used them before a couple years ago. I don't have an iPad. Everything is driven off of the iPad. It's in their charger, but you can actually control the AC unit from the iPad that goes here. So it cuts the AC on and off. You hear it clicking. Push button shifter. This knob here to move, that controls the volume. The volume up and down. Power windows. We did a pair of 3 inches and a tweeter in the door. 4 6x9s in the rear. Two 6x9s on the side. Two 6x9s on the side, man. Of course, you know, we had to do the push button shifter. Push button to get out. All of the buttons, man, we used it. The heads up display for the headlights. That cuts all the LEDs on the inside. The info and the little light button that cuts the halos on. We did 2019 Camaro Corvette seats as well with the flag in it. The halos where you can't see them with the headlights on, but of course they got the blue halos. Sheesh! Come on, man. Tell me the rim lady ain't coming through. Huh? You see, she got a light up in the back. iroc Z06. Of course, we built some T-top holders in the back as well, where she won't have to set them on the seats. But man, this thing is, like you say, a nice, good cruiser. As you can hear, we did a MagnaFlow exhaust on it. We did a MagnaFlow exhaust on it, and we had the blue letters on here. We changed them to gold to match the gold stripes we did down here, the gold, rose gold stripes down there. So it adds a nice little contrast all the way down to the bottom with the white and the gold is what we was going for. We did the calipers. They were blue. We changed them to red. She liked it, the red performance look. So, hey, that's what she wanted. It's her car. But tell me what y'all think about the iroc Z06, man. It's like you say, man, it's a complete Corvette on the inside and Camaro on the outside, man. And like you say, RC Customs, man. They did the door handles. And of course, we got all of the buttons to light up, but they're definitely not functionable for the AC and all of that, because we got with the resto mod, which we control all here. The fan speed, the mode, the heat or cold, all of that there. So all of these are just dummy buttons that we just got them all to light up to keep the functionality of what's the display. But as far as the push shifter, the push button, pull it and it goes. So nothing more, nothing less, man. Like I say, man, a good cruiser. Push button. In there. Need out. Open the door. And of course, you know, I got her a nice little body bag in the back. We had to make her a body bag in the back out of the same material. We did a little white zebra skin on here to make hers match. But yeah, man, said we brought that console all the way to the back and split the rear seat. Like I say, those are 4 6x9s in the back and a pair here on each side. So it's plenty loud. It's plenty loud, man. Like you say, man, we can go on and on about what she should have done, what she could have done. But at the end of the day, man, it was her bill, her money, displaying what she wanted at the end of the day. So she got what she wants. She's completely satisfied with it. She like it. I love it. Fans just kicked on. And it's just an overall clean car. Yes, we could have went with 24s. Yes, we could have went 22s and 24s. Yes, she could have did 26s. But she wanted something low to the ground and smooth at the same time. Like you say, it's female owned. So in the end of the day now, At the end of the day now, you find me a female that's coming this hard. You find me a female that's coming this hard now. She hurting a lot of you guys. She hurting a lot of you guys now. You see it. You see it. Hey, don't talk my head off. All I'm gonna tell you is August the 10th, man. She'll be there. August 10th, she'll be there, live and direct. Boy, I ain't seen no iroc Z fooling with it on the inside. Yeah, you might have a better paint scheme or some nicer wheels or bigger wheels, but that interior, boy, you ain't coming close. I'ma own that one. And what aftermarket buttons? These are all the factory buttons. Them all the factory buttons. So get a good look at it. Put your comments in there, in the comment section. Of course, we had to Suede the Wolf. Put your comments in the comment section. And we gonna go from there, man. For the cleanest iroc Z in the world. Talk while I listen. In a minute. August 10th. Key to the City Car and Bike Show. Meet me there.